Look at Jagger. Hold on. You want to pull him? Okay, you got to pull gentle. Real slow. Like this.
No, me.
Real slow. You got it? You got it? Okay, now pull. Real slow. There it goes. Whoa. Going in circles, Jagger. Your first sledding experience.
Oh, you done,
okay, Mommy
Jake?
will do it. Watch out. Okay, let's go back this way so Daddy can get you from the front. Whoa. Okay, here we come. Down our big hill. Whee!
Watch the ball.
Okay, here we go.
He's expressionless.
At least he's not crying.
He's probably frozen.
I think he feels good. I think he's warm. Jake's got you from the back. We got you from the front. All
Jake.
right, Jake's turn. You want to ride in there? Head over, Jagger. Jake's turn. And then maybe we can get both of you in there. Okay. All right, you get in there. Both? Okay, you get in first. You have to hold Jagger. I got it.